Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on the 2010 Toyota Tacoma, and today we are replacing failed backup light switch, right? So this is how it looks. It has two connectors. It has that aluminum crush washer, right? And here you can see a little bit what it does. It just keeps coming inside. So this one, right, there's problem with the aftermarket reverse camera. That basically backup camera, that's how it was detected that the camera was not coming on. And now I will show you where that switch is. So it's mounted on that manual transmission, right? So if we look maybe from here, this is the transfer case, and the owner told me, hey Peter, don't look for it, it's located on the passenger side. So I came up here, and sure enough, right here you can see it, right? So here you can see that connector removed. It was just a simple push tab. Hopefully you can see it, right? So that went off. And now how big wrench you need for this? And the wrench size will be 27 millimeter. There is no space for any sockets and ratchets, so I will just use simple crescent wrench to remove it. There shouldn't be any oil coming out of it. It was pretty easy to crack it open. It wasn't too tight. So here you can see the new and old side by side. This one is from O'Reilly aftermarket because our dealer, Toyota dealer, didn't have it in the stock. The dealer was approximately, how much, Michael? 60 bucks or 40? $60? How much was the dealer quote? But they didn't have it, right? So something,
50 bucks,
yeah, $50, and this one was approximately like 38 bucks aftermarket. And here you can see that new sensor installed, and we were going to bet if any oil will come out, but both of us were saying no oil will come out. And you can perfectly see it, right? It's dry, so you don't need to have any catching pan around for this. And we immediately checked, right, that backup camera in the cabin immediately went on when put in reverse. Also the customer saw the backup lights, backup lights perfectly working. So that was a quick and easy repair, right? We were doing the front brakes, so the truck was already on the lift. Took us what, maybe 5-10 minutes max? Maybe it was so easy that I should not even charge him for that. What do you say? Well, anyway, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.